Hello all traders, today is Tuesday 28th of January 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day close on all E-minis and it started to go up during the London session and later retested this level again and bounced back. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, we had a pullback and retested this level and the buyers came back and pushed the price higher strongly. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down and after the news, see the reaction of the price to the news and based on that, take a sell short position when the momentum is lost with setup B and take a long position when the pullback is completed with setup B, C and T in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and around 1 o'clock afternoon when I came back, the price showed that the momentum is lost and the sellers are coming back. I took several sell short positions first on Nasdaq and S&P 500 and waited for the pullback to be completed, and when the price found the support and the buyers came back, this wave of uptrend here was taken with setup C and T repeatedly on Nasdaq and S&P 500 as you see here, and all these signals were copied to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see here the performance on one of the accounts that shows it was positive with profit factor of 26, which is coming from 92% win rate, 85% from 7 long position and 100% from 6 sell short positions taken. The average win to loss ratio was 2.2. The largest winning trade was 185 and the largest losing trade was $41. So that's the summary of the trades we have taken on the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5k CFD prop firm accounts, these are the list of trades we have taken since yesterday. So these trades were taken on Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq. And you can see the results of these trades here. And we had 20 positions taken since the market was bearish and highly volatile 2 days ago. I took several sell short positions with a small lot size, and since the volatility was high and market became bullish, I took long positions on CFD E-minis. So with the 2 open positions we have, our total balance is $37 and our profit factor is 2.18, and this shows our equity curve before opening these positions, and we're holding these bullish positions to close it tomorrow or in next few days. So the market was very choppy in the past few days, but still we managed to keep the drawdown below 0.5%, and from the 91 trades taken so far, we have a win rate of 80%. So I hope this trade is taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also on the CFD prop firm accounts is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.